Okay, so hello everyone. I'm here for the set comprehension. So as we know, like we are done with the list comprehension in my last video. So the concept wise, the meaning of comprehension will remain same. But only thing is, if it is set, we have to use curly bracket. So we will write two, three programs based on set comprehension. So basically, for example, if I write something like this, that there is one variable s equal to, for example, and as I said, we have to use curly brackets only. So I will just write, for example, x. Okay, then for x in range, and I will write, for example, 0 comma 5. Okay, so we have a for loop with the range function 0 to 5, and each number will get stored in x, and then it is given to s. And then when we will write print, and then when we will write s, uh, we will quickly run this program. So we are getting output as 0 1 2 3 4, but that is in the set form because of the curly brackets. Similarly, we can also write one more program. For example, we have one list, a is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, for example, and we are interested in x in a. Whatever is first value of a will be given to x, and then second value, then third value, and we are interested in doing x into 2. Okay, so what will happen here when you will run your module? You all can see it is 2 4 6 8 10, because 1 into 2, then 2 into 2, then 3 into 2, and likewise you can use power function or with something 2 times asterisk also. So that is one more program you can say. See, we are getting 149 because it is a 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, etc. And if you want, you can write if condition also. For example, my list will remain same. You just give whatever is there in x into s, but I have one condition after this. If x modulus 2 equal to 0. So there is first thing which is for loop. So one by one number will be given to x. Then we are checking condition. If it is mod by 2, then only whatever is your x copied to s. So in our case, it will be 2 and 4 only. So let's see the output. So set comprehension is very simple, very easy if you know list comprehension, because the concept and method will remain same. But only thing is, here we are using curly brackets. Other than that, we are writing the same logic. Everything is same. Thank you everyone.